no ID card verification, no phone number verification. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Hustlers Kingdom Movement. Here I teach people how to make money online with their smartphone. If this is your very first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I do release new videos here every day. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys another opportunity on how to make money, right? Sharing or giving your opinions. Now in this side, by the time you get to $2, you can be able to withdraw and send it straight to your PayPal account. But then you have to stay through to the end of this video to be able to understand what I'm saying, right? And I also like you to like this video so that YouTube can push this video to as many people, right, that also want this opportunity. So follow me. The first thing I'm going to be doing, I'll be going to my Proxy site, which is geonly.com. I'll be dropping the link, the referral link or the referral code in the comment section, in my description. And I've already done a video about this, right? You can go and check out for the video on best place to buy Proxy in my YouTube channel videos, right? So what I'm going to be doing is to go to resident order, right? So now that I'm in resident order, so you can see my boundary statistics. I already have 5 gig data, 5 gig Proxy available, and I've already exhausted 4.7 gig, right? So I'm left with 0.3 gig to be able to finish this my 5 gig active subscription. That's GB, you understand? That's gigabytes, sorry. So I'm gonna be using sticky account. I'm gonna be using sticky because sticky tends to stay for a while rotating tends to change, you understand? So I always say that if you want to open a new account, use sticky. Then whenever you withdraw, then you can go for what's rotating to be using it for multiple accounts, right? So here I'm going to I want to filter and create how I want my Proxy to be. So the name of the list, you can give it any name if you like, right? It's just to recognize what you want to use. So me, I'm going to be using Mr. Chi, right? Very simple. Then authorization mentor, username and password. Export format, I'm using file. Then what country do I want to use for this survey? Do I want to use UK? Do I want to use what's it called, United States? Whatever country you want to use, you can use it, right? But then all of us all know United States and United Kingdom, they have the highest speed survey, right? But then you can still use your country if you like, right? And you will not need Proxy for this. That's if you want to use your country, but then you will be limited to a lot of surveys, right? So now I'm going to be using United States. Are you seeing it? So I'll click on it, and my region, I'm going to be using Texas, right, which is the state. Then the city, I'm going to be using Dallas. Are you seeing it now? Then ISP, that's my internet service provider. I'm going to be using AT&T Internet. Are you seeing it? AT&T Internet. Then my output format, I'm going to be using IP port login and password. So I'm going to be creating it. You understand? You can see United States, Texas, Dallas, AT&T Internet. That's the ISP. So it's loading and it's going to drop here. You can see. So I'll drag it again for you guys to see. This is the option. The geographical location, which is the GEO, is US, Texas, Dallas Internet. That's Dallas AT&T Internet, right? So I will click there back to be able to drag it out. Then I'll click on see all, right, to be able to see my Proxy. So it's loading. So it's going to open and I'll see my Proxy, right? Good. So here's my Proxy. I'm just zooming it so that you guys will see. This is it over here. So I'm going to double tap on it. Oh shit, sorry. I'm going to hold it and copy, right? Copy. So let me do it again for the second time. Copy. Now that I've already copied it, the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to come to my come to my Super Proxy, and I'll be clicking on Add Proxy, and my default name I can just choose this to say Mr. Chi, right? It's just simple as ABC. Then the protocol, leave it as subscribe. The server, then just paste, allow paste, right? So after the column, you know it's 10,000 over here, right? So I'm going to do what? Select it and what? Cut it off. Once you cut it, it has copied automatically, right? So you cancel the what? The column, which is double dot. Now I'll come to my port and I'll what? Paste everything that I what? Cut off, which has been copied already. Then after the 10,000 is at, right? So after the at, I'm going to copy everything again. I'm going to copy everything again and cut it off, right? And I'll cancel the at. Now the what's it called? The authentication method is I'm going to be using username and password. Are you seeing it? So I'll come to my username, I'll paste everything again I cut off. Then after the column, which is the double dot, I'm still going to what? Cut off and cancel the what? The column. Then now the next thing I ought to do is the password. Then I'll paste the last one, right? Let me view it. Are you seeing it now? Everything is now ticking what? Green. Are you seeing it? So my what's it called? My profile name, my socks 5, my server, my port, authentication method, username and password. You can see everything is well set up, right? So I'll click on save. Now I've already saved this. Now the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to what? Set up my time zone, right? So if I want to set up my time zone, so I have to go to what? Settings, right? Which is general. Then I have to go to what? Date and time. Then I'll toggle out my set automatically, right? I'll toggle it off. Then now my time zone now is now Dallas, United States. Excuse me. It's not Dallas, United States, right? So now I will be coming back to my what? To my proxy to start it, right? So my instead of starting the proxy is to go and use the proxy to know maybe it's actually in the place I want it to be, right? So I'll be going towards on wua.net. So wua.net here, I'm going to reload. Sorry, I'm going to reload. So me reloading this, I want to actually see my location, right? I'm coming, my location is showing United States, Batch Spring. Did I actually choose city? Wait, let me see first. Let me see. Oh. Batch Spring in Dallas County. That's the state. Batch Spring is a city in Dallas County, Texas, United States. All right, so that means we are cool. So let's go to money foundry. Let's go and check, right? So at time you just need to just do some of your research and ensure that everything is like going on well, right? So I'm going to be clicking on any trend survey to see maybe it's going to pop out survey or not, right? So that's what we're going to know. It's not about saying that okay, this location is in the United States, but we want to also know if the IP is strong, right? Or then if it's strong, no problem, we'll move further, right? I think it's about to load up surveys now. Look at it. That shows that the IP is very strong. Okay, so now that we've already seen that this survey, this IP is really strong, so the next thing we're going to be doing right now is to go back to our what's it called, our proxy app, and stop the IP, right? So I'm stopping the IP right now, and we'll be going to our Apple Store. So now let's come back and search for the name of the app. So the name of the app is called Google Rewards. Are you seeing it? So here's the app. Are you seeing it? Google Opinion Rewards. Now I'm going to be saying something, okay, so that before you actually go into, you have to understand what is going on. Now the Android version is different from the iOS version. I'm talking about this Google Reward. Now in the Android version, you are going to register successfully, right? But then there is no options that you can be able to withdraw straight to your PayPal, right? But then the iOS version, you can be able to withdraw your money straight to your PayPal account. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you understanding what I'm saying? So for the Android users, the only option you have is to withdraw to your Play Store. Now this Play Store you are withdrawing your money to, you cannot use it to pay for subscription. You can only use it to download apps, that's to purchase apps and books and anything purchasable on Play Store. That's what you can use your reward to do for the Android users. But for the iOS users, you have the opportunity to redeem your money to PayPal. Are you getting it? So I'm saying it now before a lot of you guys will say, oh, he did not even say this, how it is. He did not even say this, he did not even say that. But then I'm saying it now, right? So these are their future answers of your earn money. Get paid for your opinion. Are you seeing it? Get help improve Google products. Complete one anywhere, literally. Answer surveys in few seconds. Your data is never sold. Are you seeing it? So this is Google opinion. A lot of you guys know Google now, right? So like the Google browser you use to browse with, right? All these your Chrome browser, these are Google. You understand? It's Google that owns those brand. You understand? So this is their home survey platform, right? Or their survey app that you can as well use to make money. But then it is what it is, right? You can see their ratings 4.7 star. All right, so the next thing I'm going to be doing right now, since I've already downloaded the app, you understand, the what's it called, mine is showing open, yours is going to be showing get. That's for Apple users, sorry, for iOS users, while for Android users is going to be telling you to install. Okay, but then if as what's it called, if as an Android user you don't feel like you need the reward to be purchasing apps, you can then get iOS device, right? Yeah, to be able to withdraw money. So you don't need ID card verification and you don't need phone number. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing next excuse me, what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be clicking on my super proxy, right? So I'm going to be turning it on before I open the site. The reason why of what's it called, the reason why of the IP, right, is because my Apple Store do not allow me to access it with proxy. You understand? So I have to use my normal IP, right? So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to go back to the site. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on open. Are you seeing it? So my proxy is already on, so I'm going to be clicking on open. Now you can see what they say. They say Google opinion rewards. Your opinion are valuable. Complete surveys, tax, and earn money on paper. Now you can see, right? It is written here, earn money on paper. But then on what's it called, on your Android, you are not going to be seeing something like that. Are you getting it? So Google opinion reward. Your response to surveys matters. Your response may be used to send your response may be used to send you more relevant surveys from researchers. Okay, you are always in control. Review, edit your profile by going to settings at any time. All right, so let's click on get started, right? So now they said you will receive payment via PayPal to this email address above, which will be linked to your PayPal account. Now for those of you guys that are using PayPal, if you know that you've already used your PayPal email for another Google account and you choose to open a new account, right? All you have to do, you just have to add this PayPal. You add your current PayPal to your add your current PayPal account that you want to use to the main one, right? You can add as like 7 PayPal accounts in one PayPal account. Sorry, you can add 7 PayPal emails. What am I saying? You can add 7 emails to one PayPal account. That's what I want to say. Sorry for the Miss English, right? Because I'm not good at English. I'm just trying my best, though. You understand? So you can add 7 Gmail accounts to one PayPal account, right? So now that you've known this, just click on get started, right? So I'm going to be using this my what's it called? This is my PayPal mail, right? They're going to be using it. Now you can see they say turn on notification. Now another thing I would like to tell you guys is that you have to turn on notification in whatsoever you are doing. You have to turn on location notification, because your location and your notification determines the service they are going to be bringing to you. The more surveys, the more what's it called, the more you enable your notification and your location, the more service you get. You understand? If you disable it, you get less survey. Are you getting it? So you have to leave it all the time, because they will be sending you surveys, right? They'll be sending you surveys. Yeah, they'll actually be sending you surveys. You understand? So it's not like your regular surveys that you just see everything once, boom. No, they'll be sending you notifications. Okay, so turn on. So now they said what allow rewards would like to send you notification. Allow, don't worry yourself, right? So now you can see Google opinion rewards. You can see their threshold $2, right? Until your next payout. No survey at this time. Want more survey? Finish your profile to get more surveys to complete. So now you start any more rewards when you update your profile and turn on some requirements. Add language preferences. It goes to add country, language and preferences, United States. Are you seeing it? Check all the apply to receive tax in those when available. That is English, right? Done. Profile update was successful. So just follow this instruction, okay? I may not like to do that here, right? So add gender. Let's go to manage what's it called, go and add your gender. Language, you've already added language, right? So what else again? You go back. So now you can see no survey at this time. We will all notify you when a new survey is available. Yeah, so like as I've told you, it's not like the regular surveys that you usually do, right? But then time to time they will be sending you surveys just as they used to do at YouGov. A lot of you know YouGov survey, right? And a lot of you do not know that. But then just as they used to do in YouGov and some, I don't want to just say a lot of stuff here, right? But they'll be sending you surveys, right? So most of the surveys they'll be sending you, they are $1, 50 cents, $2. It depends. You understand? Each survey have the amount. Then by the time you complete it, you understand, they will reward you. The reward is going to appear in your balance, right? And once you get to the payout, then push the money to your PayPal account. I hope this video helps a lot, and like this video, okay? Like this video so that YouTube will push it to more people. You understand? And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So do have a great day.